What really is adrenaline?
Adrenaline is a stress hormone known as epinephrine, produced by the adrenal glands and released into the bloodstream. Adrenaline is part of the flight or fight response. When facing a perceived stressor or threat, this hormone stimulates the nervous system. Imagine you're riding your bike and a person appears suddenly, causing you to swerve. Your body will produce adrenaline, which leads to an immediate physical reaction. You may sweat, feel your heart racing, or your body shaking. This is a healthy, natural response. When you're in a dangerous, unsafe, or problematic situation, this adrenaline can help you react quickly. However, you can experience an adrenaline rush when taking the stage at a crowded stadium, before a competitive sporting event, when you're on a roller coaster, or if you're in the middle of an argument, among other situations. Some people love to experience a spike of adrenaline. Bungee jumpers, car racers, and athletes may chase this feeling, pushing themselves beyond their boundaries. For thrill seekers, adrenaline is addictive. To some, riding a quad might not be much of an adrenaline rush, but even for the biggest adrenaline junkies, it can be a good rush and loads of fun. So if you have never tried it, I highly recommend it. Today we got a quad trip planned to Los Angeles and San Francisco. Gonna take you along for the ride and show you the sights. Now we just gotta go find where the meetup is and meet up with everyone and get going. Call a view, huh? quick stop at Playa Coyote. I'm gonna take a quick swim. You guys are having a beer. Yeah, take a look. So crystal clear. I don't know how well you can see it, but I see down there. Check out the waves. Alright, let's progress to march now.
After 2 steps, I lost my balance. And you know, that's when the colors started to change.
Concludes our quad trip to Los Angeles and San Francisco. I hope you guys enjoyed the views. I know I sure did. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe as well, so you don't miss any of the new videos coming soon. We're heading back home now. Just gonna stop at Playa Carrillo, go for a quick swim, get some of this dust off me, and yeah, that's it. Thanks so much. See you guys next time.